Okay guys, I got a hack on this. I want to try a hack on my sprinkler head. See how all the ones pop up? All those babies are popped up and sprinkling. I got this stupid head that doesn't pop up. All it does is just sit there. So what I did, and if I got this tool that my wife uses to plant flowers. See how that is? Isn't that pretty cool? I'm gonna go right over the sprinkler head with this, and then I'm gonna trim all the grass around it, like that. Keep trying. A lot of times these sprinkler heads just get, get caught. There she goes. Ain't that a beautiful thing? You want to use this because it goes around the head. Look at that. And what this does, this is just a thing where you plant flowers in the garden and stuff. So that cuts all the grass, all the debris around your sprinkler head, and allows it to pop up freely. I'm telling you, that is so cool. It's a great fit. I mean, I just thought about that just a few seconds ago. Look at that. Perfect. All right. Make sure you follow for more hacks and tricks. Fall out.